And tonight, new research revealing the makeup of COVID-19. Doctors at the University of North Carolina are studying the genetics of this virus.
They say their discovery can help with testing and therapeutics. News 3 reporter Zach Dahlheimer talked with the study's senior author and has reaction from the local medical community.
We know now more about this virus than any other virus before.
Dr. Dirk Dittmer and others at UNC have a close eye on COVID-19.
The team has been working 24/7 ever since we had the first cases in March.
They're looking at how next-generation genetic sequencing can help with tracking mutations of the virus.
What we were looking at using next-generation technology is if the virus changes. Who were the first people who had the virus in North Carolina? And then as we accumulated more and more cases, were these the same types of viruses that we're seeing anywhere else in the world? Very early on, we were able to show that one of the mutations that has been around in Europe was actually coming to the US.
The state-funded study shows this sequencing can help with accuracy of diagnostic testing.
We wanted to make sure that the tests that were developed very early on would still work now and next year. And the takeaway is they still work.
And vaccine effectiveness.
One of the worries that people have is that the virus might change and that therefore today's vaccine might not work next year. Studies like this are part of the ongoing quality control and safety monitoring for vaccines.
News 3 medical expert Dr. Ryan Light says the sequencing can help in the fight against COVID-19.
We can tell if it's changed a little bit. We can tell where that virus is coming from. So it tells us where the outbreak is coming from, where the danger areas are, and it tells us that our therapies are still working.
Meanwhile, Dittmer's lab will continue using the sequencing to track the virus through the end of the year.
We're just a little piece of the puzzle that helps everyone to get rid of this thing.
Zach Dahlheimer, News 3.